poppers, it's me, Esther, or shall I say, it is me, Barbie Esther. Sheri finally got around to creating me, and you can see there I have my curler, my glasses, my beautiful robe, and even a pair of comfortable fuzzy slippers. And look, she made lovely pockets in my robe too, just like my actual robe. I am so pleased with this. It came out so well. And do you know, she used part of a lollipop stick to create my curler. How imaginative she is. Well, you are here for the troll time, right? So I'm going to put my Barbie away for now. And let's get on with this troll. And her name is Ronda. And Ronda says, "Dress your age. Your outfits are juvenile." Okay, Ronda, I must say I'm very proud of you for using such big words like juvenile. So I'm wondering, if you actually have an education, why is it that you think it's appropriate to go online and criticize someone? That doesn't make any sense to me. And I also wonder, these people that do this, do they do it in real life too? If Ronda saw Refashionista Sheri in a supermarket wearing one of her lovely, bright, positivity outfits, would she go up to her and say, "Dress your age"? Because, you know what? How old do you think people are when you're just passing them on the street? I realize Refashionista Sheri makes no secret about her age. I mean, she is turning 50 very, very soon, right? As she said it before at the video. But I don't understand this rule of dressing. Like, what does that mean, dress your age? Does that mean that if you get a little bit of gray hair, you should start wearing gray and beige all the time? Or maybe that's the time when you really need to start dressing more flamboyantly and really releasing your own unique style, because by the time you get to be middle-aged, really, you start not caring what other people think. So these type of comments really are, they mean nothing. They mean nothing. They're actually just a wonderful vehicle to make a hilarious troll time video. So I guess thank you for that, Ronda. And I'm also wondering, should I be dressing my age, or is this my age? Because this is a very, very vintage house dress, right? And these curlers are actually very vintage as well. So I guess I am dressed appropriately for my age. But I really hope that you can maybe see that creating your own unique style is really the best way to go. And if you look in the mirror and you feel good about what you see, that's what's important. Not the opinions of strangers online or even in person, or even the opinions of people that you know in your life. Who cares? If somebody doesn't like what you're wearing, who cares? It doesn't matter. It's about your own self and how you feel good when you look in the mirror, right? Right. So I think that's all I'm going to say about that, because again, it's always the repetition, isn't it? Of, oh, you're old. Oh, don't do this. Oh, this is terrible. When really all these people are doing is showing their own selves and their own inner turmoil to the world, right? If you feel good about yourself, you don't need to go around spreading negativity. Not at all. If you feel good, regardless of your situation in life, you should be able to be positive and be kind to others, right? It's a no-brainer for me. But yeah, Ronda, look at yourself in the mirror and maybe add some color to your own wardrobe and a little bit of color on your lips. Can you see I added some color to my own lips today for you guys? So then you can maybe step outside and feel good, and you won't have to go around doom and gloom and spreading all of this negativity, right? Well, I don't know if you can hear that, but Mr. Jack is needing to go out, so I guess I'm going to go get Refashionista Sheri so she can take him out for a little walk. And until next time, Stay safe, stay well, and we will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.